to leverage, of course, on technology as we move into that technology space. And it's not just government business. We're trying to expand the digital footprint around the country. We are currently engaged between the Ministry of ICT, Ministry of Power and Energy to spread the fiber optic footprint around Kenya. And that has its own competitive issues. I know I have my CEO for Safaricom here. Sometimes he's not very happy with me for bringing other characters like Elon Musk and others into the space. But you see, I keep encouraging Peter that competition makes you, keep ahead. And he's been doing pretty well, I must admit. He's really upped his game. And so that element of competition, and that is why even as we have a conversation with Visa, we're also in conversation with MasterCard, and we are in conversation with others, because we want to keep that space competitive. And I just want to confirm here that we're doing 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic around Kenya. We want to connect 10,000 institutions, hospitals, schools, markets, with hotspot and with fiber optic, so that we can expand e-commerce, we can access government services, because shortly we want to run a paperless government.